Ever wondered why your coffee sometimes tastes off, or why coffee machines fail sooner than expected? Welcome to PartsFe. Water quality plays a major role in how coffee and espresso machines perform, because coffee is made up of more than 90% water, and whatever is in that water directly affects both taste and machine health. One of the most common issues is hard water, which contains minerals like calcium and magnesium that separate when heated and form limescale on internal components such as heating elements, boilers, pipes, and valves. Over time, this buildup restricts water flow, reduces heating efficiency, increases energy consumption, and causes uneven extraction, leading to bitter, weak, or flat-tasting coffee. If left untreated, scale can result in frequent maintenance, unexpected breakdowns, and costly repairs, especially in commercial settings like cafes and offices, where downtime means lost revenue. Here comes the Everpure Cartridge Scalestick to help solve this problem by preventing minerals from sticking to internal surfaces while maintaining balanced water chemistry, protecting key components, improving energy efficiency, extending equipment life, and supporting consistent brewing temperatures for better flavor and aroma. In hard water regions, proper scale control isn't optional. It's essential to keep machines running efficiently and delivering great coffee with every brew. For trusted commercial coffee machine replacement parts, visit PartsFe.com in the USA, UK, and Canada. Follow us on social media for more expert appliance repair tips from PartsFe. Thanks for watching.